Imagine earning money by creating your own AI influencer from scratch. No special skills needed. Flux One is transforming the text to image generation industry with its groundbreaking ability to produce hyper realistic images. What's even more impressive, it allows you to create consistent character images, enabling you to develop a unique AI influencer and start generating income online. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of building an influencer model and maintaining character consistency using Flux One. Let's dive in. Flux is an open source image generation model that you can use for free on your local machine, with no need for additional UI tools like Comfy. Alternatively, you can access it online. And in today's tutorial, I'll be demonstrating it on one of the largest image generation platforms, Shakker AI. Shakker AI is a state-of-the-art platform that uses artificial intelligence to help users create high-quality images from scratch or transform existing ones into something new. Whether you're a graphic designer, content creator, or simply someone who loves art, Shakker AI has something to offer everyone. Link of this platform is available in the video description. Shakker AI offers an exceptional AI-powered platform designed to unlock creativity through diverse, open-source models. With the Shakker generator, users have access to a wide range of tools that make it easy to bring their artistic visions to life. Whether you're working with Flux models, exploring artistic photography, or creating stylish illustrations, Shakker AI provides powerful options. Let's start by exploring the homepage of Shakker.ai. To create a free account, click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up with your Discord or Gmail account. When you sign up for Shakker AI, you receive 400 free credits, allowing you to generate images without any cost. When you first visit the website, you'll notice its clean and user-friendly interface. On the homepage, you will find vast gallery of AI-generated images showcasing the capabilities of the platform's Flux and Excel models. These models are designed to deliver high-quality visuals across a variety of artistic styles, allowing users to see the full range of what the AI can produce. You also have the option to preview and download any image you like. This feature allows you to easily view and save your favorite creations. To generate AI images using your own prompts, simply click on the AI Generator option. This tool allows you to input your custom text prompts, select from the available models, and instantly create stunning, high-quality images based on your ideas. Shakker AI offers a wide selection of both base and enhanced models that users can choose from based on their specific needs. Whether you're looking for a standard model for basic image generation or a more advanced one for intricate and detailed visuals, the platform has options to cater to every requirement. After selecting the desired model on Shakker AI, you can customize your image generation by choosing the image size that best suits your needs. Additionally, you have the option to specify the number of images you want to create in a single session. Now simply enter your prompt related to the image you want to create. This allows the AI to generate visuals based on your description. Next, click on the Generate icon and wait a moment. Once the process is complete, you'll see that it has generated two beautiful AI images related to your prompt and chosen model. If you're satisfied with the generated images, you can easily download them. Alternatively, if you'd like to make adjustments, you also have the option to further edit the pictures to refine them to your liking. Here, we have in-paint feature that allows you to make various modifications to your images. With this tool, you can easily change details like hair color, eye color, clothing, or any other aspect you wish to adjust. Simply write down the changes you want to make and click the In-Paint button. Once you've done that, the tool will apply your modifications, allowing you to achieve the desired look for your image effortlessly. Next, we have Remove PG option, which allows you to easily eliminate the background from your images. After you're satisfied with your AI-generated image, you can easily download it and use it for your projects. Let's explore another model called Flux Vector Journey. Start by selecting this model. Then choose the image size and the number of images you want to generate. After that, enter your prompt describing what you want to create. This process will allow you to leverage the unique capabilities of the Flux Vector Journey model, and done. Here you can see the results. Two beautiful images generated using the Flux Vector Journey model. Here we have an image-to-image option. This tool allows you to upload an existing image and use it as a base to create variations or enhance specific elements. By adjusting your prompts or settings, you can transform the original image into something new while retaining its core features. This option is particularly useful for refining designs or exploring creative alternatives based on a starting visual. Now let's try using the Flux One model. Start by selecting this model, then choose the desired image size and the number of images you want to generate. After that, enter your prompt describing what you want to create. This will allow you to generate unique visuals tailored to your specifications with the Flux One model. And done! The Flux One model has generated 2 images based on your prompt. Those visuals showcase the model's ability to create stunning and relevant images tailored to your ideas. You can now review the results and decide whether to download or make further edits. Now, let's try another amazing model that I particularly enjoy, as it often produces fantastic results. Select this model, then choose your preferred image size and number of images. After entering your prompt, you can look forward to some truly impressive visuals that showcase the model's capabilities. This experience is always exciting, as you never know what creative outcomes you might achieve. The final model we're trying is the Flux Art model. This model is known for its ability to produce visually striking and artistically compelling images. Once you've selected this model, choose your preferred image size and the number of images you want to generate. After entering your prompt, prepare to be amazed by the unique and stunning visuals that this model will create, showcasing its artistic flair and creativity. Shakker AI is an incredibly powerful platform that makes it easy to generate stunning images using advanced AI models. Whether you're exploring the capabilities of the Flux models or experimenting with the Flux Art model, the tools available allow you to bring your creative ideas to life with just a few clicks. From customizing your images to removing backgrounds and making edits, the features enhance your artistic workflow, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals alike. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Shakker AI. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or questions about the platform. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.